Zaviar from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, as you are aware of the current situation in the world between Iran and USA, which is indeed unfortunate, my question is it halal for us Muslims to invest in oil stocks and earn profits? Because these stocks move too much on the basis of news related to war and narratives of different people on war, etc.
Investing in stocks is halal. Whether you're investing in stocks in America, in the UK, in the Middle East, in Pakistan, what is critical to understand is, are these stocks halal to invest in or not? So there are stocks everywhere, but not all stocks are halal to invest in. Because when you invest in a company, you become a partner, because I've bought 0.001% of its shares. So now I'm a partner. Sometimes I buy 5%, 10% if I'm a multimillionaire or a big investor. If the company's line of business is halal, that's fine. They sell pharmaceutical products. They sell agricultural products. They manufacture, produces different things like electronics, pipes, whatever. That's fine. But if they finance their projects, they have to build a factory, they have to market their products in different companies. So they borrow, they finance from banks and financial institutions with interest, with riba. That is haram. And the vast majority, if not all companies in the West, do this to evade taxes, to have their chunk of cash deposited in the banks. They take interest on that, and they finance their projects, which these banks happily finance, because they know they are profitable and they're taking a big chunk of the profit as interest or riba. So it's a win-win for them. But this is haram for me as a Muslim. This is clear riba, and I'm getting riba into my investments. This is haram. If you're investing in halal companies found in Muslim countries, alhamdulillah, little and few, but they are available, then that is fine, inshallah. Zainuddin from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
How are you, Sheikh Asim?
Alhamdulillah.
I wanted to, is it permissible to order a Caterpillar set online? You pay a price for it, and but it has an enclosed voucher wherein you can get the caterpillars. I hope you understand.
No, I don't understand. What is a caterpillar?
You don't know?
I'm not a I'm not a carpenter.
In Arabic, yaraqa, the thing that turns into a butterfly.
Okay, so no, it is not permissible to buy insects because it has no value, and the scholars of the Hanbali fiqh and other schools of thought say that buying ants, buying roaches, buying such insects is not permissible because it does not have a value or a legitimate reason to do so.